This is the instructional video for jetting MJet V0. The V0 is operated directly from the suitcase. That enables quick setup time. In this example, we will have a 2mm cable and a 7mm duct. Start by choosing your inlet guide. In this case, it's the 2.5mm guide. Now choose the correct duct clamp. In this case, the 7mm duct clamp. Start by placing the bottom half in the machine. Insert the cable so that it ends up on top of the bottom half of the duct clamp. Place a tight cable seal on the cable. And to prevent air from coming inside the sheath and the cable getting stuck in bad connectors, you now install a cable head. It's time to prepare the ducts. Please use a jetting cutter, for example this MDC16. It gives you a clean 90-degree cut, which is especially needed when you have connectors. Place the duct on the cable and then mount the upper part of the duct clamp. You tighten the duct clamp by the tension arm. This will make it airtight. Now regulate the clamping force on the cable. You do this by turning the black knob in front of the machine so that the cable will be able to drive but still being able to slipper. If you open the air valve and it still leaks, please tighten the duct clamp until leakage will stop. In order to have an agile installation, it's important to adjust the pushing force. You enter the menu mode and adjust the pushing force according to our suggestion, which is 10 newtons per cable OD measured in millimeters. To start the blowing session, you start without air and you push the plus until you get 40%. When cable reaches speed that is too much, then you can decrease by the minus sign. After a while, you will notice that speed goes down. This is the time when you start to introduce a bit of air. Just use as much as you need to, and then increase by portions when speed goes down. Jetting. By fiber blowers for fiber blowers.